So guys, you can see this is gigabyte.com. This is officially website. You can download driver. Okay, so right side is search key, click to search, then Z890 Z890 UD, and then hit enter. Then you can see here the product. Then click here. Then click to support. Then select operating system Windows 10 and 11. If you have a Windows 10 now, so you can install that, but follow this same method because installation process same. LAN driver and click to download. So it is downloaded. Just single click to downloaded file. Oh, it is not completed, that's why it's showing. Then double click to, then yes, this is LAN driver. Now this is install Realtek LAN driver for Gigabyte. Then it is done and close it.